I can't wait to see what you'll build today. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag the wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Just drag the wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help, great! We're always happy to help. Pick any toy you'd like. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Just slice or tap it to open. Where to now? Right leads to... We're almost at the town square. Right leads to Cannonball Curve. Left leads to the town square station. We're almost at the town square. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Board the carriage. Drag each of them to... Super! Super duper! Thanks for helping out! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Right? Boulder Cliffs is a crazy race to the finish. Good job! Look how super duper your train set is! Watch out for that rolling boulder. It's coming in fast. Help your engine race down at super light speed before it catches up. That was so much fun! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. Where to now? Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the track. Excellent! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so much fun! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Choose your engine. Hero! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Super! That's perfect! We all love your train set! Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Well done! Where to now? Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Great! Just spin the wheel to... That's the way! Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. That's the way. Just slice or tap it to open. I love that. Swipe left or right to keep the... That's the way! That's the way! We all love your train set! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? The rolling bridge is just there. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass.